Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. So let's go over how to go ahead and use it and the basic functionalities. So first we're going to go ahead and plug in the air fryer and then go ahead and press the power button, which is located right over here. And so with the power button, you're able to go ahead and toggle on and off this touch display screen. On the left-hand side, you have the temperature. On the right-hand side, you have the timer. You have the pause and start button down over here. You have different cooking modes that you can just click on and cycle between. Now, in order to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, just click on the up and down arrow here. And as you can see, it's now switched over to Celsius. And if you click on it again, both at the same time, it'll switch back to Fahrenheit. Now, the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer does include a grill plate, and it also includes the grill basket, which is already this portion right over here. And the coating of the basket, it's meant to be kind of non-stick and provide some food safe properties. So you don't need to put oil on it every time you use it. It's just meant to be non-stick. It's made of some sort of ceramic non-stick coating, which is very food safe and it's able to withstand very high temperatures and such. Now, with the Typhur Air 2 air fryer or Dome 2 air fryer, you can connect it and control it via your mobile device. So I'm going to use my iPhone as an example, where if you go into the App Store and then type in Typhur, you'll see here that this right here is the app for Typhur. Go ahead and install that app and create an account and log in. And then once you're logged in, this is what the homepage of your app is going to look like. So if you click on the up and down arrow of the timer section, hold it down for about 2 seconds, and then you're going to see a Wi-Fi icon start to blink. Now on your mobile device, go ahead and make sure that your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth is turned on. Click on Add Device, then click on Typhur Dome/Dome 2. And then because our Typhur Dome 2 is already in pairing mode, just click on My Device is Ready. Then it should automatically find your Typhur Dome 2. So click on Pair, which is located right over here. Next, you're going to select your Wi-Fi network and do make sure that you're connected to a 2.4 Hertz Giga Wi-Fi. Type in the password to your Wi-Fi network. Then as you can see, it's currently connecting, and then you should see a successful notification there. Then click on Done. So now your Typhur Dome 2 is connected to your mobile device. If you click on it, you can set between different modes, which are the same modes that you see right over here, in addition to a few others, such as Dehydrate and Griddle. In addition to that, you do have some presets. So you have presets for pizza, wings, bacon, fries, frozen food, and steak. Now, on your mobile app, this is where you could actually start the self-cleaning process. So if you click on self-cleaning, you can do a deep clean or clean of your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Now, before you start the self-cleaning of your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer, just make sure that the basket is as clean as you can make it, and also make sure that the grill plate is as clean as you can make it. But with that being said, that's pretty much it on how to use the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. You just adjust the temperatures here. You have a bunch of preset modes. You could adjust the cooking time. And if you connect it to your mobile device, you can access the cooking modes here. So if we go ahead and do a toast for about 385 degrees and click on Start, you'll see that on our mobile device, we have it set to 385 degrees, and there's a timer, which is pretty much the same timer that it has on the Typhur Air 2 air fryer. So this is what it looks like on your mobile device. You can stop it, pause it, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.